Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter and the cabin air filter on this Mercedes S-Class with a 3.2 liter V6 engine. First step is to take out this cover and just open it like this, put it aside. Then we're going to take this air intake hoses and you just pull it off like this. It can be a little bit hard, but you just twist it off like that. And the second one, pull and then twist. There you go. Now we're going to use this T25 and remove these 4 screws here. If you have a power tool, it's going to be a lot easier to use this one. The bolt will not come out all the way, but until here it's okay. You just open it like this. Just put it here. I'll use my power tool. Then just open it. Easy. Here and this one. So you can see inside here it's quite dirty. Sometimes you can find leaves or insects or all this shit, so we need some cleaning. So you just use the basics, cleaning spray and paper towel and just spray it. After you clean it very well, then you put the new ones like this and tight the screws. The screws must go inside the hole. Make sure they are in the right position. Then the next one, push gently. This thing goes fast, like that. Now let's put the air filter housing back. Turn it around again. And you see these things here are going to match with these ones. So you put them here kind of first. See it's in the right position. And you just squish it. Like this. It's not hard, it goes straight down. Now the air intake hoses. You start down here. This. The last cover, and we are done with the air filter on the engine. And these two are going to go here. Then you can just press it. Now the cabin filter is located behind the glow box, so just open it up, remove your stuff from there. Now inside the glow box you will see these 2 rubber buttons, so just take them off. If they don't come out, you can use something to just pick it out. You're going to find 2 screws here inside, on the top, one here and one here. Now with the Phillips bit, let's remove this screw. Here's one already missing in my situation, so we just have 3. Now you can take out the glove box, just pull it out. And the connector for the light. Now inside here you will find the air filter cover. You just push this thing up and then it will come out. Now you're going to remove the old filters from there. In my situation they're already gone. There has to be 2 of them. So let's put the new ones. Just put first one in the right side. Then you take the second one. This time it's on the left side. So now let's put the cover back. You have these 2 pins. We're going to go in the sides here on these things. And just press it. And the safety. See, with light. Just put the ball in that hole there, like this. These two things have to be aligned. Put the screws back and tighten. Okay guys, so this is how you replace the air filter and the cabin filter on this car. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.